We are in 2018 in our 16th year, and we've evolved every year with it. It's a celebration of culture where international students together with local students come together to showcase their cuisine, their music, their dance. Great festive entertainment at the end of Diversity Week. We always link it with a social responsibility message, and this year we have the cast of Lockdown coming in. At the end we will have Nasty C performing. Cool.
Hi, my name is Tabiola Ndromo. I'm a student studying accounting. This is my third year attending the festival, and it's full of life. The culture and the diversity, we cannot ask for more. And I'm very happy to be part of UJ, of attending all of this and seeing the beauty of different cultures.
Culture is about identity, and as you heard now before, we need to be proud about who we are as Black South Africans, as Black Africans. We must take pride in our culture and our traditions, and we must respect each other's culture and traditions so that we can be united in our diversity. Thank you very much. Pambili, UJ Pambili.
International students and finding their inner culture and sharing that with the culture of others and understanding and being part of that diverse group of people. And we found the International Festival to give them this opportunity so that they would be able to find themselves and be themselves. The National Office strives to have social cohesion and cooperation on campus, and only through understanding each other's cultures do they get to understand that we are different. But we don't have to be the same. We can be different and we can all get along together, and that creates that community on campus, and that's what we strive for. And we even have a study abroad program where we send students overseas and they come back and they change their lives, and we are part of that, and it makes us proud, and it makes the hard work worth it.